Nigeria's new tax reform. What you should know. President Tinubu has signed into law the Nigeria Tax Act 2025 and other key reforms that will totally reshape how taxes work in our country. This isn't just another policy tweak, it's a full overhaul aimed at simplifying taxes, cutting out duplication, boosting government revenue, and bringing Nigeria in line with global tax standards. Here are some highlights. For businesses, over a dozen old tax laws have been merged into one single system, simpler and clearer. Small businesses turnover below 50 million will now enjoy major tax relief. Big companies will now face a minimum effective tax rate, meaning no more zero tax loopholes. Capital gains tax for companies has increased from 10% to 30%. For individuals, annual incomes below 800,000 are now tax-free. The personal income tax system is now more progressive. Higher earners pay a bit more. Nigerians earning income abroad may now be taxed on their worldwide income. For everyone, tax filing is going digital, with e-invoicing, real-time VAT systems, and stronger dispute resolution. The new Nigeria Revenue Service will unify tax collection and make the process more transparent. The goal is clear: increase Nigeria's tax-to-GDP ratio, strengthen the economy, and reduce the burden of multiple taxes. Implementation starts January 2026, giving individuals and businesses time to prepare. The new tax reform in Nigeria is basically the government's way of cleaning up and modernizing how taxes are collected and used. Before now, there were too many confusing and overlapping tax laws that made life hard for both individuals and businesses. With this reform, everything has been brought together under one clear system. Small businesses will get more tax relief, big companies will pay their fair share, and people earning less than 800,000 naira a year won't pay income tax at all. The process will also become more digital, less paperwork, fewer queues, and more transparency. In summary, the goal is to make taxes fairer, easier to understand, and more efficient, helping Nigeria raise money to develop the country without putting too much pressure on ordinary people. This reform could be a turning point for Nigeria if well implemented. What do you think? Will this make life easier or harder for regular Nigerians?